With a million different options on how to get an online business started out there, you're a beginner and you're probably confused of which path do I take? Which one do I start with? There's so many options out there, and every guru under the sun has their own recommendation on what I should do. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I think, because I'm another guru telling you what to do, right? But the good thing about me is in 2019, I came home with just $50 in my pocket, and I was coming home from doing a state prison bid. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there. I always put it out there to be transparent. I was an inmate for 7 years. So if you're starting from the bottom and you have nowhere to understand or where to start or what to do and all that good stuff, this is the best place to start 100%. You're looking for an online business, trust me on this one. Now, obviously, if you don't know anything about this channel, you're new to the channel, I talk about high ticket affiliate marketing. And that's where I honestly believe everybody should start. So just to break all the anticipation and everything that you're looking for in this video, I'm biased. I'm gonna say high ticket affiliate marketing, but I'm going to explain why in just a second. But for now, if you are new to the channel, you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'm the infamous Joel and your boss hates me, because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay, now let's go. First of all, what I want to do is go down the list and talk about some of the other online business models. There's too many of them out there, and I might not cover every single one of them, but I've tried a few myself, and I had some clients that came to me that tried a few others too, and so I know a little bit about every little thing out there, almost every little thing out there. So let's go down the list. Number one, you might have heard of dropshipping. Dropshipping is huge. Everyone's heard about it at this point, and if you're new, you might have come across a video about dropshipping and the whole system and how it works. I'm not going to go over everything how it works. I'm just going to talk about some pros and cons. Pro of dropshipping, it's really easy to run ads and get things going and start making money. Con of dropshipping, unless you have a big staff, a presence already online, you're selling products that have a higher profit margin than normal, it's really, really hard because it's very, very oversaturated, and chances are there's other stores out there selling the exact same thing you are. Your profit margins are razor thin, okay? You're gonna make like $1 or $2 per sale if you're lucky, and that's what you shoot for. You're shooting for making like $1 or $2 per sale, making that tiny profit margin. So the margin for error when you're running ads online to a dropshipping store is so enormous that most beginners start running ads, make no money, and then they just give up because it's really, really hard. Unless you're like a mathematician, you can figure this stuff out. Okay, so I don't recommend dropshipping because it seems super easy, but it's really, really hard to get ads and nail it right out of the gate. Most of the time, you're gonna lose a crap ton of money when you first start because you don't really know what you're doing. You don't know what you don't know, and so especially because the profit margins are so low. Now, moving on. Next one here is Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is another one of those where unless you know exactly what you're doing, you got a staff, you got the right products in place, you got the right system in place, you're probably going to lose a lot of money. And then you have the other added evil, like shadowy figure in the background named Amazon, right? They're going to take a lot of your profits even if you do make money. And then they basically call the shots because you're on their platform. And from what I've heard of everybody who's done Amazon FBA in my circle and clients that come to me and want to do affiliate marketing instead, they always tell me, you know, I had an Amazon FBA store, it was doing really well, and Amazon started getting worse and worse and worse and worse. So it's like you're going into an online business because you don't want to have a boss anymore, but then you go into Amazon FBA and now Amazon is your boss. They're this big corporate overlord just overwatching your store, and it's really, really tough. Okay, so I would say for a beginner, Amazon FBA is just not it. Okay, there's so many moving parts, there's so much going on, it's really tough to master, so that's why I don't recommend Amazon FBA. Next one. Now, one that I've come across a lot is SMMA, which stands for Social Media Marketing Agency. And I'm not going to say too much about it, it's just absolutely ridiculous. You're going to have to go out there, find businesses that need social media ads or social media ad managers and stuff like that and want to get more clients and more leads. The problem, once again, as you can see, because of this low startup, because of this basically anybody can do this stuff. You don't even need a degree, a certificate, or anything. They don't even know if they can trust you, number one. And number two, even if they do throw you a few dollars and you don't know what you're doing, you're going to run into some hot water really, really fast. And it's another one where you need to build out a staff. It's just so much overhead. It's so much headache. It's so much that you need to account for. And you have a massive amount of monstrous, giant sea of competition because everyone and their grandma can go to every business. And trust me, every local business business in your area has been approached by some Google Ads master in like 20 times in the last week, okay? Everybody gets approached by these people, and it's so hard to get your foot in the door. That's why you see a lot of gurus, instead of running a social media marketing agency, they're turning around and teaching you how to start one with a course or a coaching program or whatever. It's because it's not profitable, as profitable, I should say, as it used to be, okay? That's why that's happening. Next one, and both of them kind of go hand in hand, is being a course creator or a coach, kind of a combination of both. Course creating. It is a great way to get started. I'm not going to say that it's not. If you have some kind of expertise, you're good at getting people, authors' books published and big out there. You're good at getting people publicity. You're good at getting people's YouTube channels bigger. Something that you're good at that you can translate into a coaching program or a course or something like that is a great business to start. However, if you don't have a track record already, if you don't have testimonials, you haven't proven your system and what you do, and you have a massive wall of people that references and things like that, if you don't have any experience, it's really tough to break into, because most people just are not going to trust you. It doesn't matter what you go out there and claim, say, I can help you do this. Okay, so what? Where's the proof? Okay, if you don't have a long track record of proof, it's just really hard to break into that business without some kind of security for people to look at and say, okay, you've done this before. And that's what leads me into the next point right here, and that is affiliate marketing. If you start off with affiliate marketing, and you start off not with your own proof, your own clients, your own track record, your own everything, okay, if you start off with affiliate marketing and you're just promoting somebody else's stuff, somebody else's course, somebody else's coaching program, somebody else's software, something, now you can leverage someone else's great product that's already proven, great service, whatever, and in the meantime, you can start building out your testimonials and your proven track record of helping people get the results you're talking about. That's actually how I started. I built my first 6 figures as just an affiliate, just totally an affiliate marketer. And while I was doing that, I was helping people along the way, helping people build their 6-figure businesses, doing affiliate marketing. And now I have a big wall of testimonials of people that can tell you, hey, he helped me sell this, he helped me do that, he helped me start my affiliate business. And that's what made it easier for me to transition into my own coaching program, creating courses and things like that, is because I was able to prove my system and what I do throughout the years by helping people as an affiliate. I was only an affiliate, didn't have to have my own name, my own presence. I was a digital nobody. And for most people who are just starting off, you're a digital nobody. You don't have a whole lot of time to create your own products or build out your own stores or do your own shipping and tracking and technical stuff. You have money, but you don't have a whole lot of time, and you don't have a lot of technical know-how and skills and everything like that. Affiliate marketing is absolutely number one, the best way to go, hands down, because you don't need any of that stuff. You can have your 9 to 5, and when you come home, an hour or 2 per night with the kids running around screaming and everything else going on, an hour or 2 you can set aside to work as just an affiliate, helping somebody else sell their products and services. That's the absolute best way to start online. You can legitimately scale that to 10K, 20K. I've even seen 30K with some affiliates. It's very realistic to do that in your spare time. Obviously, it does take time. It's not an overnight success thing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. And if you want to find out more how I can help you do that, click on the link down below in the description. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.